welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making this awesome t-shirt here. And this is Nezuko from Demon Slayer in her demon form. I totally loved her, so I was like, I need to get this on a shirt. I did draw this outline, but I'm going to show you how you can also just find a picture on Google and use it as well. This is really easy to make, just adding a pop to your graphic t-shirts. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by just going into Cricut Design Space and selecting a new canvas. So a lot of the time I just go on Google and look for keywords, coloring pages, outlines, drawings. So I want to make a Demon Slayer sweater, so we can just search up Nezuko. And these are all so cute, and what we're looking for is something with a good thick outline and that is clear. So for example, this one could work. I have a video on how I clean up images from Google. This is basically the same thing. So this could be one of them. It's whatever you want it to be. This has a solid outline and it looks like nothing's going to be cut off. It does have some small pieces right here, but maybe we could just leave some of them out. I'm going to save this one just for the purpose of showing you guys how you can upload your own from Google. So I'm just going to be saving this image. And now we go into Cricut Design Space and upload it. Complex. And from here we scroll down to more options and put 160. Now we click on the white spaces, and as we click it starts removing everything. Okay, and now we have the stencil. This looks good, and I'm just going to continue and save it as a cut image. Like I said, I only saved this one to show you guys how to clean it up, but I actually drew this one right here on the iPad, so I want to use this one. And I'll just be adding both to my canvas. It's the same thing, I just uploaded the outline and cleaned it up just like I did this little one right here. But since this is the one that I'm going to be printing out, I'm just going to use contour and add like a little bit more black in some areas just to make it look a little bit better. And I think it looks a lot cooler like this. If you guys want this picture, I'll have it on my Facebook page as well. But just know I drew this by hand and I'm not the best artist. And I will be cutting it in pink. It doesn't really matter, you can change the color if you like, but I want to put it on a black t-shirt, so I think a bright pink would look cool. So now we go over to make it. Now remember, this is an iron-on project, so we're going to mirror and hit continue. And I wanted to use a really bright pink, but I didn't realize I really didn't have that many colors, so I'll just use this one. And remember, we're putting it shiny side down. And now we just load it up to our Cricut and cut. So now I can just hit load. And make sure your iron-on setting is correct, and then just cut. So I think I got everything, and this took about half an hour to weed. There's a bunch of little details here and here and here, and it wasn't the easiest thing to do, but it looks so cool, so I'm ready to put this on a t-shirt. And this one I got from Walmart. I think it was like $3, and I'm probably gonna make this into like a crop top and then just wear it to the gym. And here's my lint roller, and I'm gonna go pre-press it really quick and then I'll be back. And I just gave it a light press. You can see the indents, but that's okay. We just need this area basically right here. And so this right here will go right on top. And now we can press this on and we'll be done. And here it's not really blinking. I don't know, I think it's the camera doing this, but it's at 300 degrees for 10 seconds. And here is the shirt. And make sure you put on your Teflon sheet right on top. And now we will just be pressing. Okay, all done. So here is the finished look. This looks amazing, wow. I love it so much. I'm definitely gonna wear it to the gym tomorrow. If you guys like this video, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And please also head over to my Instagram and my TikTok for a lot more pictures and videos of my work. And thank you so much for watching.